my god, guys, look at my tokens. Hello there people and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got unlimited tokens for top 11 absolutely free, safe and online, guys, without downloading any mod or anything magic, guys. It's working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search top 11. Click there and now we'll have to enter our manager ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me paste my here, I already copied. Let me click continue, guys, and let's see the next step. Okay, is found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our token amount, so I will go with the maximum. So let me click continue and let's see does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for top 11, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with the new tutorials. Let's go to the next step. AP connected. So the next step is to select I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys. And now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirected text, guys. I'm wait about 1 minute and that happens, so let's wait together and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bow check. Tokens are on the way, guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game and let's see does it actually work. So let's see, guys. Oh my god, guys, look at my tokens. Look at this hack. It's actually generating. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.